Alright, what up guys? I am back for another Stunt Daily unboxing. And I have brought up some of my old gloves because pretty sure this one is the brand new gloves. So let's just get into it. By the way, I'm upstairs because it's fucking freezing outside. It's like 20 degrees, so yeah, that's not happening. Alright, yes, oh my god, I could not wait for these for the longest time. So glad I finally got them. So many people are posting them, and I'm so excited. I could not wait to get them. These are the brand new Sick Shop and Stunt Daily collab gloves. They are Rasta, so they match all my stuff, and these are great. I always am so surprised with the quality of their gloves, always with the Kevlar, and all their coloring and graphics always come out perfect. So just for comparison, those are the new gloves. These were the gloves that they came out with not too long ago. Just the regular Stunt Daily, and then the original Kevlar gloves were these with the gel inserts, and those were still fire. These ones have lasted longer than any of these other gloves just because of how thick and padded these guys are, versus these guys with the decals were a little bit thinner, but they still have all the outside lining of the Kevlar. So by far my favorite gloves. This was probably one of my most anticipated videos. I wanted to make this glove video so bad. I cannot wait to ride around with full Rasta and these new gloves on and everything. Oh, these came out so sick. I am so glad. But yeah, till we get my armored hoodie or more products, that is it. But thank you guys as always for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Don't forget about me, and see you soon. Till next time.